This is Boca Umbilical Cord Clamp. You can see this is the packing of it. First, open the packing. Take out the electronic recorder. You can see two clamps, white one and blue one. Face the white one to the baby. Put the umbilical cord deep into the V groove, up about 3 to 5 cm from the baby. Close the white one first, then close the blue one. Use the injection to cut the umbilical cord. At the same time, it will be automatically record the baby's birth time. You just need to take down the electronic recorder. This is disposable to throw away, and this is the electronic recorder to be the gift to the baby and to the family. When the next year the baby's birthday is coming, it will be automatically remind you the baby's birthday is coming and sing a song happy birthday to you. And this is the first gift and the memorized gift to the family and to the baby.